Alright, so Jalen over here, I don't know if you can see him, but he has decided, there you go, he's decided to take me up on a bet. These are ghost peppers. If he bites into one of them and chews it for 5 seconds, I'm giving him $20. If he eats the entire thing, I give him $50. Let's see what happens.
I'm about to eat it now?
However you want to.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
It's gonna be later.
No, right now. You want to do it, pick one. I'm just letting you know, wash your hands before you pee, okay?
I'm nervous now. You got me nervous.
More of a bite than that. You gotta take more of a bite than that. Bite into it. Chew it, chew it,
I can
chew
feel it.
Chew it. Bite into it, chew it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he's going for more, okay. He's going for more. I can't believe you're doing this, Jalen.
I want the 50.
Okay, you want the 50? You're gonna puke.
I have to eat this part?
That last little bite, yeah, but the stem you don't. Alright, you're good. You're good. Eat it. Eat it and hang out for a minute. Hang out before you go home.
I can't eat my teeth. If I had to describe this, it'd be like I've been caught in a witch hunt in a corner and they started burning me. I should have swallowed it without chewing.
Don't wipe your eyes. Don't wipe your eyes. Your hands have the shit on them. I don't want you to burn your face. Do you need to go home and get milk?
I need an exorcist.
It gets worse, doesn't it?
It's not really worse. It's like every time I breathe, it hurts. Probably the worst smoothie I've ever made in my entire life. Why?
It's your fault. I warned you.
But I wanted the 50.
You're getting $50. I'm telling you now. You're getting $50. If you puke, it doesn't matter. You're getting $50.
I don't think I can.
How's it feel?
Not that bad.
Not that bad?
It's like every time I exhale, it's like Satan's stabbing me with his spear of hate. I got a tear in my eye.
I'm sorry. So sadistic of me. Oh my god.
I need some holy water, bro. I'm about to go get some water.
Okay, go. Go, you're good. I'll give you 50 on Friday. Okay. Alright.